Dotonbori is Osaka's most popular and vibrant entertainment district. It is located in Central Osaka, runs along the Dotonbori Canal, and easily accessible directly from the Namba Station. It is famously known for its bustling city lights, glowing neon signs, and endless street food, restos, and souvenir stores. One of its recent iconic symbols is the Glico Man, which is a billboard of a runner crossing a finishing line. It is also the spot for sightseeing boat tours at the Tonbori River Walk. Just make sure to set your expectations when coming. It is highly crowded, especially during peak days and hours, and can be a tourist trap for dining. So it is always best to research first for the best places to dine and eat. For reviews on places, events, food, and resto, like and share this video and hit subscribe.